Google Fi is Google's own mobile service that operates as an MVNO, meaning it doesn't own towers but instead uses networks like T-Mobile and US Cellular, switching between them dynamically for the best signal. It's compatible with both Android and iPhone, but works best on Fi certified phones that can switch networks and Wi-Fi seamlessly. Fi offers three plans: flexible Fi per gigabyte, ideal for light users; simply unlimited, flat rate, US only; and unlimited plus adds international roaming and 100 gigabyte of Google One storage. Key features include automatic network switching, a built-in VPN, spam call blocking, free data, and texting in over 200 countries, hotspot support, and eSIM activation. Its strengths lie in simplicity, no hidden fees, travel-friendly international features, and strong customer support from Google. Downsides include reduced features on non-FI certified phones, potential data slowdowns during peak times, and no retail presence. In short, Google Fi is a solid option for frequent travelers, privacy conscious users, and families seeking simple billing, but it may not be ideal for users needing peak performance or in store help.